back to my channel. Today I want to share with you these cute little 3x3 mini note cards with matching envelopes that I created. I was working on these last night and I think they turned out really cute. So I've had this scrapbook paper that I really liked. This one with the, it's got these cute little chubby birds on there in gray and light blue and a beige background with little kind of polka dots, or maybe it's snow coming down. So maybe they're little winter birds, but they're cute. So I cut out my 3x3 cards and just cut them out of white scrapbook paper. These ones have the little raised polka dots on the back. And I'm going to stop for one sec because my camera is moving on me, so I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, so I made these from this cute scrapbook paper, and I made the matching envelope, and they're really cute for little note cards. You just kind of slide in there like that. I made the envelopes with my envelope punch board, and I just followed the instructions for the to fit a 3x3 note card. And yeah, I thought they turned out really cute. Here's another one I've done. This one has a little chubby bird on it as well that I've added with some bling on there. It says "Just for You," and I've just left them blank inside. Oh, actually this one I remember I did add some little words in there, "Just for you," and that I had stamped out, and another little birdie inside there, and then you can write your message there. And then they just tuck nicely into the little envelopes like that. You could dress up the envelope if that's something you wanted to do. And then the next ones I did were bicycles, and these are the envelopes that I made. It's a black paper with a white bicycle on it, just a cute little envelope. And then here's the note card on the same white cardstock, and had these bike stickers, and they had a little raised basket on the handlebars with flowers and in pretty colors, and I stamped on there "Thinking of You," and I just put that on a separate blue cardstock and put that on, and then I added some bling, and that's ready to send. On the inside of this one I just put a little saying. It says "Keep on the sunny side," so that's ready to go. Pops in the envelope like that. And then I did another one with the bike theme, the same envelope, and this one is in the white cardstock again with a kind of a creamy yellow background I put on there, and then added the pink bike, and it's got pink flowers in the basket, the same stamp that I used, "Thinking of You," and that one's ready to send. And then it's just got some little added embellishments that I put inside there, and then you can write your little note in there. But I think they'd make cute little gifts even to give to someone. You know, you could package up a couple together and cellophane bag and give them as a gift. So I'm going to just kind of walk you through making one quickly here. So I'll just pause this and we'll be right back and we'll make one together. So I've already done an envelope here with the little birds on. So that's ready, and then I'm just going to add this. I've already done the stamping on here, and I'm going to just apply this to the little note card that I've got here. So I'll just peel off the tape. I've used the Terran tape for this, and makes it easy to apply. Just kind of eyeball center this here, like so. And then I have these punched out couple of little birds from the same paper that matches the envelope, and I'm just gonna put these on here. One there. This one here, like so. And then I just have a little kind of foam flower here. It's got some glitter on it and a little bit of bling. I thought I'd just add that on there. just for some fun. And it's pretty much ready to go. And you could add something inside if you want to put a piece of scrapbook paper in there just to kind of make it pretty, and then it's ready to have the sentiments written in. And then this fits inside the envelope like that, and all ready to send. So I thought they were really cute, and maybe you'll be inspired to create some of these little cards and envelopes yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.